Welcome back to Long-Term Review. Today we talk about the Sigurd 42 personal carry knife, legal even in Germany, hence the name, referring to 42A of the Weapons Regulation Act. And that's not a long-term review, just an unboxing. I hope it's inside there because I just received it. I didn't take a look in it before. And okay, this looks very cool and very small. We have some notes. We take a look at it later. Presentation looks really cool, really cool. Oh, and it also has this carry clip. I was afraid that this is not provided, that you have to get a aftermarket one like the UltiClip. But the idea is that you have a fixed blade that is as easy to conceal and draw as a switchblade. It takes very not too much room on you, and it's easily accessible, and this is mainly marketed as an outdoor and survival and camping knife. So and that's also the reason why it's legal. I don't want to mess this up for someone, so we just talk about exactly this use case. So you could of course use this as a practical everyday knife to cut something, as I mentioned in my last knife reviews, like eating something or opening boxes. And I think especially the opening boxes one is really underrated. That's what I think this ring is for. So yeah, you cut something open and then you flip it like this. You don't have to do it somewhere else, and you just proceed opening the package, and then something else needs to be opened. Okay, you cut, you still have your hand free, and you still have the knife. That's really useful, I think. You could of course also grab it like this to cut, and then same thing. You can let it go. Pretty much have your hand free to hold something, and you still have the knife, and you can always re-access it. I think that's the main advantage of like all knives that have this ring. It's really, really light, and it's, as it's stated here, it's D2 steel. I had pretty good experiences with D2 steel, even the cheap ones from China. I really like it. And there's here's some other detail that I overlooked that just comes to my mind right now. It's this hole, and I have to test something really quick. Because I have some bits, like normal bits for screws. Can they be used with this? And indeed, you could, if you just have, like, you have a bit set with maybe an elongation, but no screwdriver they fit in. You could use this one, and also as a leverage. It's a bit dangerous here, but pretty much till here, and I think you have a pretty firm grip on this. If you have to open or screw down something with this. Pretty unexpected use case, and huge props to Böker for just making the tool lighter by including this, but also giving it an additional use case. If you saw my video about the Swiss tool, they should learn from this. And yeah, you have it very, very securely in your hand, thanks to this carving here. What I have to have a look at it some more is this attachment here. I think it's really hard to draw. Like, that's how do they plan on using this? To be honest, maybe you insert it just halfway, not across, not further than this, and it sits well enough. You can draw. Maybe just yeah, if you know that you needed to like prepare your food or cut some rope, you need it and the next time you can have it like this halfway in, and then it's easier to draw it. But let's talk about the carry options with this clip. Because it's more discreet, I just want a knife to prepare food or for emergency cases or whatever. I would also always go for inside the waistband, and we take a look how discreet and easy this is. So now I carry it. I think it's not too uncomfortable, and if I want to use it, okay, it actually works even when it's fully locked in. If you just rip it enough, that's obviously cool. And yeah, so much to this. I think, okay, it flipped. This looks really, really decent. If you have something over it, like this, it's pretty much non-detectable. But if you want to tuck your shirt in, that's another story. Now you have this gigantuous thing. Let me come up with a solution. Maybe I can come up with a solution because this pocket clip is detachable and you can use it in different ways, as you can see here. And the question is, how much of a deep carry clip can we make this? So that's the furthest we can go. It's now only held by one screw. We will see if that's enough. Let's fix it a bit more. And we will see if that's enough. Okay, now I'm dressed as I would be on my job or when I go to meet someone. Just a regular outfit for me, and on my waistband, inside the waistband, I wear my Sigurd 42. And as you see, it's easily deployable and pretty much non-detectable. Of course, when I want to reholster it, never fast reholster a gun or a knife, by the way. Just some tip to... Okay, that becomes difficult. I don't want to damage my clothing. So here it is. Here it goes in. And as you see, there's pretty much nothing of it that you can see. Reholstering is a bit slow, but if you need to use it for whatever. Okay. You see, everything has its drawbacks. So one last thing I want to try out is will something like the UltiClip 3.3 Slim help with this. And yeah, we just do this. So now we can try this out with the UltiClip. So now with the new clip, still pretty much undetectable, but will it perform better? So again, all I have to do is somehow reach this ring and pull on it. I think the draw on it, it will break in over time. And yeah, it works. It keeps it securely attached. Reholstering is, I think, still a hassle. If you just want to draw this knife multiple times a day to open a box and so on, that's not what I would recommend, because you have to halfway undress to get this back in. But you might have different use cases. You might wear different outfits on a daily basis. It might work better with something else. I just wanted to show you what my setup is and what I think. So, what I think it's a great knife. As a knife, especially for carrying it. It comes and falls with a sheath, but I think it's a great knife. It comes very, very, very sharp out of the box. For the carry concept, you have to come up with a solution that fits your needs, of course. But I think it's very light. It's because of the short blade, very easy to do something precise with it. And easy. I think my biggest problem was the sheath. It has to have a break-in period where I removed this a couple of times. Don't secure it too much in it. Just push it slightly in and deal with that. It's just I don't think that you could have a worse accident with it. But yeah, you can secure it really tight. Then you have to rip a bit on it to have it. But that's everything I have to say to it. The UltiClip could help with it. But I think for most people, the provided clip is also fine. And if you want to know what I used to attach and detach these clips, and why it is far better than an expensive multi-tool, subscribe so you can see my next video.